Konnichiwa! So today I want to chat to you about how to make friends in Japan. Because this is a tricky situation. So, I have my 4 best ways how to make friends in Japan. The first one is, literally, just run up to someone and say, "Hi! Watashi wa deaf!" Or, what's your name is? Use your name. "Hi! Watashi wa deaf!"
Do you want to be friends?
That usually freaks them out a little bit and then they just walk away, so that one's not that effective. The other way is connect with different people on the expats group. Facebook has got quite a bit of awesome expat groups. The best one so far I've reached is 10. That's the expat group on Facebook. Just connect with them. There's a ladies one specifically as well. You just say, "Hi, my name is Daph. I'm new in Japan. Who's up for a coffee?" So I've met some really cool people like that. The other one is to really just go and sign up for some kind of sports or some kind of community. Join a community. That is very helpful. If there's a local church, go do that. If there is your CrossFit group, that is very helpful. The other one that I also found really helpful is LinkedIn. Funny enough, LinkedIn. If you start connecting with people around you, specifically in the recruitment industry, they are really cool people. You just tell them their story. You kind of easy way to make friends, get someone to hang out with, have a glass of wine with, whatever it is that you like. But the one that has worked absolutely best for me is get lost. Get absolutely lost. Find someone next to you and say, "Hi, sumimasen, please help me, I am lost." Because of the good nature of the Japanese, they will not be rude. They will indeed help you as much as they can. So try and in that time that they're helping you, talk as much as you can. They're not a big fan of the big mouths, so don't do a lot of big mouthing or a lot of opinionated things. Don't do that. But just chat. Be normal. Try be normal. Chat with them. Try and get their number, and then on a later stage, just go, "Hey, are you keen for a cup of coffee? I am new in town and I really want to make a new Tamagotchi." Those are my tips on how to make friends in Japan. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more of our expat journey here, the Thompson's journey in Japan.